What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about how to start an online business from home. Now it's a hell of a lot easier once you understand what I'm going to share with you. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know how I'm making passive income over on Amazon with low and no content books, then check out that link down in the description below to go to Printing Profits. Within this course, I teach you step by step on everything that I did to reach $1,000 per month on Amazon with low and no content books. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, creating an online business from home is pretty easy, or should I say it's simple. Pretty simple as long as you understand one thing, and that one thing is you want to go where the traffic already is. See, to start a business online you need to be selling something, and you need to get traffic, which is people, to that offer, product or service. Now, like I said, the best way to do this is to go to where there's already traffic. Now, I have eBay already pulled up just here because there's already traffic built in. So all you need to do is get your products or services or whatever within those in front of those people to start making sales. Now, I'm not saying that you have to go and start a business on eBay, because there's so many different ways, there's so many platforms, websites with traffic already built in, and we're going to go over a few of them within this video. eBay was just one that I was going to show you because, like I said, the traffic is already here. And if we go over to SimilarWeb and type in eBay and go here, we can actually see how much traffic is actually there. So let's let that load up for a second, and then we can take a look. So if we scroll down to here, we can see the website ebay.com has got a global rank of 24. And if we go down to here, we can see that they get 809 million visits per month, which is crazy. So with eBay, you could either find stuff around your house to sell, which is not really an online business, but you can make money with that. And you could either do eBay dropshipping. Now, I did eBay dropshipping a couple of years back. I don't really like it that much. It gives me a bit of a headache, but there's still lots of people out there absolutely killing it when it comes to dropshipping. Now, on my channel, on this channel, there is quite a few videos. If you go way back, I even have a playlist a playlist which is dedicated to eBay dropshipping. So if you want to learn that, go and check that out. Then another platform is Amazon. So with Amazon, they have a lot of traffic built in as well. So all you need to do is get your products in front of those people, and there's so many different ways that you can go around selling on Amazon. Now, if we go over to SimilarWeb again, and let's put in Amazon.com, and let's click on here, so you can see the amount of traffic that Amazon gets. So if we scroll down to here, global rank of 12. And if we go right here, 2.36 billion with a B visits per month. So that is absolutely crazy. So do you think you could make some money on Amazon.com, considering they get over 2 billion visits per month. I bet you could. You would still have to learn a few things. And like I said, there's a few different ways that you can actually sell on Amazon. You can do merch by Amazon, Amazon FBA. You can also do low and no content book publishing, which is my favourite. So to do that, all you would have to do is come over to kdp.amazon.com and you can sign up for an account. And the amount of money that you can make is pretty good as well once you learn the ropes. This is what I've done in the last 12 months since December. I've done $31,000 and that's all profit. That isn't sales. That's what goes directly to my bank. And I've done this through selling low and no content books, all completely passive, because once we create these books, we can upload them, optimize them to get found in the search engines, and then once that book sells, Amazon will take care of absolutely everything for you and then just send you royalties. So if you're interested in this business, come over to printingprofits.com and check it out. You can also have a look on my channel because we do have a hell of a lot of content around book publishing. Now, another way is on Etsy. So with Etsy, there's so many different ways that you can make money with this, selling printables, digital downloads, so many different ways. And if we go over to Amazon.com again and go to Etsy, so let's type in Etsy.com and click on that one, we can see how much traffic this website gets as well. So we're going to let that load up for a second. And then we can scroll down. We can see it has a global rank of 102 and it gets 233 million visits per month. So again, just another great place to start an online business. See, like I said, the easiest way to start a business is to go to where there's already traffic built in. Because if you don't understand how to send traffic or run ads or anything like that, then you're going to find it extremely hard to make money. You want to go to where there's already traffic built into the website and then put your products in front of those people. See, the big thing is at the minute, and it's been big for a while, is Shopify. So you're getting all these YouTubers explaining how easy it is, selling their courses, but what most people don't realise is it's hard for new people to start because they don't really have a grasp on how to send traffic. Now, if you were to do Amazon FBA, and then put products on Amazon, it's going to be easier than Shopify because there's already traffic built in. Now, I'm not saying FBA is easy, but it's going to be easier than learning to send your own traffic. Now, another great place, which I think is a massive opportunity right now, is right here, YouTube. You can start YouTube completely for free. You can start creating content, building a following, serving that audience, providing value, and then you can also sell your own products. You can build your own email list, and you can also do affiliate marketing. So YouTube is one of the best places to be at the minute. Now, in fact, let's just open one of these up in a new tab, one of my videos. And then let's just pause that for a second. So let that do that. Let's pause. If it's going to let me, so come on. Pause. I think that's done. Is it? Hold on.
What makes a question a good question? Well,
Shush.
this one on top.
Be quiet. Come on.
If you manage a team.
Bloody hell, that was a pain in the arse. Anyway, that's paused. So now if we scroll down to here, we can see on my videos, I promote my own courses, which are just here. I also promote my Facebook group. Then if we go down to here, I have somewhere where someone can get on my email list. And I also do a little bit of affiliate marketing. So YouTube is another great place if you want to start an online business from home, because YouTube has all the traffic built in as well. And this is also part of my business. So I have my YouTube channel where I provide value, I provide content, and then I also sell my own courses. And then I also do my book publishing business as well with low and no content, which you should also check out because you can start that business for free. But the whole point of this video is if you want to start an online business, don't reinvent the wheel. You're going to find it extremely hard if you don't know how to send traffic. So go to the websites where there's already traffic and start your business there, because you're going to find it so much easier. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.